you are a married expecting mother and you have been trying to decide what to wear for your maternity photo shoot and you have no idea where to start or where to even look or even what to put on, in this video I'm going to give you 3 wardrobe tips you can use to find and choose an outfit that works great for your maternity portraits. Let's get started. What's going on to all my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity specialist out of Detroit, Michigan, and I specialize in capturing the gift of life for married expecting parents who will rather just sit back, relax, and have all the work done for them. And in this video, I'm going to give you my top 3 wardrobe tips for you. Now, the overall goal when choosing wardrobe for your maternity photo shoot is that you focus on being timeless and not trendy. When you focus on being trendy literally ages your portrait. So it's important that instead of going for what's trending in your wardrobe, focus on timeless wardrobe pieces that look great throughout all of time. Now, you do this by number 1, keeping the color palette simple. You want to focus on solid colors that aren't distracting. Neutrals, pastels, whites, and blacks are all great solid colors to choose from when putting together your wardrobe. Now, it's also important that you focus on my next tip, which is focusing on your bump. I mean, hey, it's the reason that you're here. You are celebrating life and it deserves to be showed off. Buying or renting form-fitting maternity wardrobe outfit pieces are great because it will enhance your pregnancy glow and show off that beautiful baby bump. When buying form-fitting clothes, it's important that you choose items that will be comfortable for you during your maternity photo shoot. And in doing so, you will actually be able to enjoy this session and not focus on irritating strings or little buttons or things that keep poking at your skin. And my last tip, which is tip number 3, stay away from distracting wardrobe pieces. Items that have polka dots, stripes, or any irregular shapes will cause people who view your portraits to be distracted and not focus on what matters the most, your bump. Buying a distracting wardrobe can also sometimes age your portrait and make them not feel timeless later on. Now, just to recap those 3 tips, you want to focus on solid color clothing that enhances your bump and showcases your pregnancy glow, that isn't too distracting like stripes, polka dots, and any irregular shapes in your portraits. And by doing so, you can create timeless portraits with timeless wardrobe pieces that last for generations to come. Now, if you don't have an idea for your maternity photo shoot, you can't decide what to choose for your wardrobe, which is exactly why I created a Maternity Idea Vault that includes 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas in one space so you can simply find ideas that resonate with you without wasting your time scrolling hours on social media. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, enter in your email, and I will send you instant access to a digital copy so you can finally get the reels rolling for your idea and create a unique idea for yourself.